Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your project. Enable the Vision API and create a service account so authentication is handled securely. Once done, download the JSON key and export Google application credentials to your shell so Python picks it up. Then install the client library with pip and confirm you're running Python 3.8 or newer. This gets authentication and the runtime ready immediately. You can now write a minimal script to call the API and validate credentials before moving into actual image calls. Now write the core code. Import Vision, create an image annotator client, and load image content from bytes or a gs//path. Then call the specific detection method you need: label detection for objects, text detection for OCR, or safe search for moderation, and await the response. Make sure to check response, error for issues, and parse returned annotations into structured results. If you're processing many files or large images, switch to async batch annotate images to avoid timeouts and to scale efficiently across multiple. Finish by wrapping calls with retries and exponential backoff to handle transient errors and quota limits. This makes your application robust in production. Once done, validate results carefully. Check for null fields, unexpected types, and explicit error messages so you can fail gracefully. If deployment shows authentication or quota problems, confirm the service account key, project billing, and API enablement. Key troubleshooting tip: when responses are empty, verify the correct image bytes or gs//path and ensure the API.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.